Hey guys, thanks for joining us again for another episode of Get Out Fishing. And today we're going to be talking about something a little bit different. Me and Jim are out here tonight doing some fishing at Sharon Harris Lake. It's Sunday night. As usual, we're out here trying to get on some fish. And anytime we're out fishing, obviously we have a YouTube fishing channel, and so we're trying to make videos. And I want to talk a little bit about making fishing videos tonight and just some tips and tricks to maybe help you make some better videos, just some things that we've learned. So we're over 50 videos in now, been uploading videos for about 2 years, and learned a lot over the way, and I'm continually pushing myself to try to learn how to make better videos. And one of the ways that you can do that is just get different angles and different perspectives in your fishing videos. Obviously the thing that we see most often in fishing videos is kind of the first person view. You get a chest harness like this, and we love watching videos like that. Everybody likes to see the catch, the hook set, and all of that. And so of course Jim and I both wear these chest harnesses, and what we use is an Akaso EK7000, and I'm going to put the links to all this stuff down in the description below so you guys can see it. These are about $65 right now on Amazon. Good little cameras. We've been running them for about 2 years now. It's got 4K footage. We don't run it on 4K because just the size of the files that it takes. The 1080p is a little bit more manageable, but these have been great cameras, and we've got them attached with some microphones on here, just some lavalier mics that do a really good job in the video. So this is one angle that you can use. The other thing that we use a lot of now is we use this clamp camera right here, and I'm going to put the link down below to this. This is as of the making of this video today, this is $16, and of course you can snap just about any type of GoPro or action camera to it. It's just got a standard mount on the top, and I've got mine in a water case. Can clamp it all around the boat in just different places. If we want to take it off and get a water shot or a release shot or an underwater shot when we're letting a fish go, just gives us a different perspective, and it's pretty cool. I mean, this is how we're getting the footage of us going down the lake. This is how we're getting some of the release footage that we get from time to time. So again, really cheap way to get some different perspectives in your fishing videos, which just kind of adds to the whole story and the quality of the video. So there's other things that you can get as well, and I'll put links to those down in the description. You can get a YOLOTech stick. Those are a little north of $100 or so, but they keep your GoPro or your action camera charged up as you're shooting videos, and those work really well. Usually people stick them in the back of the boat, and you can see them fishing on the front deck, so those are really helpful too. But the more angles that you can get, more perspectives you can get, tells a better story and gives you a better perspective on the video, and just makes it more interesting and more entertaining. So, and then the last thing you can do is just get a tripod. Again, I'll put another link to that down below. A tripod's a cool thing to have. If just set your camera on it or your cell phone on it, whichever you want to use. And you can even do things like set your tripod over on the bank and just get a picture of you going by or paddling by, things like that. So just all kinds of cool ways that you can get better perspectives in your fishing videos for not a whole lot of money. So I just want to share that with you guys tonight. Hope you enjoy this video and find some value in it. Don't forget, if it's your first time watching Get Out Fishing, hit like, hit subscribe, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take every opportunity you can to get out fishing.